Hi guys! Did you know guys that one of the country's biggest utilities, Maynilad Water Services Inc., is officially going public? Yes, Maynilad IPO is finally here. And guys, yung offer period nila nag-start yesterday and hanggang October 29 lang to. At ang kanilang final offer is 15 pesos per share. So they offered up to 2.46 billion common shares. So allocation talaga to. Hindi ibig sabihin na nag-request ka ng allocation mabibigyan ka. So ngayon, the reason for this offering is for the expansion of water and the wastewater infrastructure, debt repayment, and mga long-term capital projects. For the sake of those people na walang idea about sa IPO. IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. It is when the private company finally offers yung share nila to the public for the first time through Philippine Stocks Exchange. So, in simple terms, imagine niyo, big company, Maynilad, that is used to be owned only by the few investors or corporations. Now they're deciding to go public. That means anyone, including you, can now buy shares and become a co-owner through stock market. So normally ginagawa ito ng mga kumpanya para makapag-raise ng capital, makapag-provide ng liquidity, or makapag-add dun sa credibility nila. So bakit maganda bumili ng IPO? Because sobrang mura niya pa. Imagine niyo if si Maynila is just offering it for 15 pesos per share as of now. 5 years from now, 10 years from now, what if yung 15 pesos na yun is already 150? Compute tayo. Say for example, I'm planning to buy 5,000 shares kasi I heard na 1,000 pesos, 1,000 shares ang minimum. So 5,000 shares times 15 pesos siya right now. So sa 15 pesos, all I have to spend is 75,000 pesos. So this would be my capital. Now, say for example, yung 15 pesos maging 150 pesos siya by the time na maging after 10 years. So 5,000 shares times 150 pesos. So ngayon, yung 75,000 pesos ko, magiging 750,000 pesos na siya in 10 years kung magiging 150 pesos siya. The question is, kaya ba talaga maging 150 pesos? From 50 pesos pa din maging 150 pesos? Check natin yung mga ibang companies na malalaki din na. Hanapin natin Ayala Land. Alam ko, Ali yun eh. Ito, Ayala Land Inc. So, kung papansin nyo, go for monthly. Yan, monthly time frame tayo. It started 2006. At what price? The price was 8 pesos. Okay? 8 pesos. Or tama ba 8 pesos? No, it's 6 pesos. And now, let's see kung hanggang saan siya umabot. Ang pinaka-peak niya was 53. Yan, 53 pesos. Diba? Imagine nyo from 6 pesos na naging 53 pesos. Kung bumili ka ng 5,000 shares sa 6 pesos, nag-start ka lang at 30,000 pesos. So ngayon, kung may 5,000 shares ka dyan at right now, nakabenta ka dito sa pinaka-peak niya, which is 54, you have already 270,000 from your 30,000, diba? CSM. SM, ayan. Ito, SM. So, CSM, it started from 2006 din. 2006 at 110 ang pinaka. Pero I think offer nila dito is 300 pesos eh. Pero let's see, 'di ba? Imagine niyo from 100 ba to? 135. From 135, ang pinaka-peak niya was 1,145. 1,145 yun, diba? So, imagine niyo if you have 5,000 shares na bumili ka during 2006. So, 5,000 times 130, namuhuna ka dito ng 650,000, diba? So, ngayon, kung nag-close ka during the time na nag-peak siya, 5,000 times, ano yung peak na? Ulit nakalimutan ko, 1,000, 130, 140. Times 1,140. Tama ba? 141. So, yung 650 mo, by this time, 5.7 M na, diba? This was year 2019, diba? 2006 to 2019. That was just over, 10 years, 13 years, di ba? 13 years, yung 650K mo, million na, 5 million na siya. So yeah, possible siya, most especially, ang Maynilad is actually essential. And we're not seeing na anytime soon it will go bankrupt, diba? So it is a good leverage for you kung mag-i-start ka sa IPO, like initial public talaga. Kasi kapag nakapasok ka na dyan at 20 pesos or 25 pesos, there's a chance na syempre magka-fluctuate siya, not unlike nabili mo siya sa pinakamababang presyo niya. So, marami pa mga kumpanya na naging maganda yung resulta nila. Say, for example, BPI back 2010, nasa 40 pesos yung IPO nila. Right now, nasa 100 plus pesos na per share. Si Pure Gold back 2011, they were offering their share for only 12 pesos, 12.5 pesos per share lang. Right now, alam nyo kung magkano na 280 na ata si Pure Gold nyo. Nag-range ng 280 to 300 pesos per share. Sorry, I think hindi. 40 pesos lang. 50 pesos si Pure Gold, pero not bad pa rin, diba? Ito, another utility company, si Meralco. They started their offer for 80 pesos ata. Back 2010. Right now, alam nyo kung magkano na 280 pesos si Meralco. Converge during their IPO was 16 pesos. Right now, 33 pesos na siya. Pero, please remember na hindi lahat ng IPO can guarantee quick profit. Kasi merong mga ibang IPOs na aakit ng sobrang bilis. Tapos after listing, biglang dip siya, babagsak. So, depende talaga siya sa market demand, sa valuation, and syempre sa sentiment sa mga investors. You always have to remember that you buy because you understand the business, not because it's just trending or because sinabi ko lang. It's better that you understand and you know what you're doing. So right now, ayan, bibili tayo or mag-subscribe tayo ng shares sa Maynilad. So, lalagin tayo sa Call Financial. So, kung wala pa kayong account, create na kayo account. Ayan, meron dito. Punta kayo website, www.callfinancial.com and then open na kayo ng account. So, since meron na ako account, mag-login na lang ako. So, ngayon, ito yung dashboard ng Call Financial. So, makikita nyo, ito yung home, okay? So, makikita nyo agad dito yung click here to subscribe Maynilad Water Services and then kiklik nyo yan. Ayan. So, makikita nyo, initial public offering announcement, Maynilad Water Services Inc. 15 pesos per share. So, ang minimum nila is 1,000 shares. So, in multiples, thereafter, in multiples of 100. So, pwede kayong 1,100 shares, 1,200 shares. So, ang listing date would be on November 7. So, click lang natin to subscribe. So, pwede pa kayo humabol kasi 24 pa lang naman ngayon and ang last day na offer nila would be on October 28, 2025. So, ngayon re-reserve tayo, subscribe tayo ng 5,000 shares. So, calculate 75,000 pesos. So, submit and print. Wala pala tayong printer. So, submit lang tayo. Ayan. So, yan, officially nakapag-request na tayo ng IPO subscription for Maynilad. So, mag-aantay na lang tayo na magkaroon tayo ng allocation. So, total shares na ni-request natin is 5,000 for 15 pesos and total subscription value 75,000 pesos. So, ayun lang guys. Hopefully, mag-grant tayo ng allocation. And if I were you guys, try nyo lang 1,000 pesos, 1,000 shares pinaka-minimum. So, the minimum amount na pwede makapag-subscribe kayo dito is 15,000 pesos.